Hello, this is Chris Griffith from The Australian. And home automation, being able to turn your appliances, lights on and off when you want using an iPhone, has hit Australia with these devices. These are by Belkin, they're called the WeMo. And they turn your appliances at home and your lights into automatic devices that can be operated by an iPhone. There's this particular device, which is a plug. As you can see, you put this into your PowerPoint and then you plug a device in that you want to control. If you want to control more than one off the one plug, you can put in a power board, for example, and achieve the same. That one's $59.95. This other one, $119.95, is a sensor. Again, you plug it into a socket on your at home. These devices actually are Wi-Fi devices, so they connect to your Wi-Fi network, and that's where the fun begins. When you add the motion sensor, you get even more permutations. You can, for example, get the motion sensor on this device to talk to this device on the same network, so that when, for example, a person passes a particular point at home, it switches on a lamp and then switches that off at, say, 3 minutes when it senses no motion here. You can get really complicated rules if you want. You can, for example, set this up near a cat litter, and if your cat goes near the litter, this will then turn on an air conditioner for the next 30 minutes, for example. So you can do all sorts of interesting stuff with events. Now, it gets even more interesting if you go to a site called ifttt.com. It's a little acronym for if this, then that. It's a site that's been going for a couple of years where you can set up relationships between various entities. For example, it has Yahoo Weather as part of IFTTT. So you can say, at sunset, I want you to send me an email with tomorrow's weather. Or at sunset, send an SMS with tomorrow's weather. What do we think of the WeMo? We think they're pretty good. They're a little bit fragile. I found that when my network went down and we rebooted it, getting these going again took a little bit of time, but they work nonetheless. You can, of course, buy a heap of these, would cost you a lot of money, and automate your whole home. But if you want to try out home automation, buying this, and particularly buying a sensor which comes with one of these, is something that will give you a lot of fun and will show you the opportunities that you can make for use of home automation.